this video, I'll be demonstrating how you can create a calendar entry. So firstly, make sure you're on the calendar section within Colleague and then go up to the top where it says create calendar entry. Then all these fields will appear and you input the applicable information regarding the calendar entry you'd like to create. So for example, let's say that this is a follow-up. And you pop in the dates, the start times, end dates, and if there's any time zones or anything like that, and you can pop in any additional information here as well. But you do have an option at the top where it says link records. So say for example you're having a follow-up with a candidate, you can select this search option here and then type in the name of the candidate that you'd like to basically follow up with, select the magnifying glass and a list of applicable records will appear. Select the record you'd like to attach the calendar entry you're creating against and select this option here. Once you've done that, you'll notice that it has affiliated that record with the calendar entry you're creating. So let's say save. And you'll notice that it gives you a link to that record. And if you click it, it will take you straight through to that record that you've affiliated within the calendar entry you've created. Another way of creating a calendar entry is via either a candidate, company, contact, lead, requirement, interview, offers, or placement records. And you'll notice at the top of these records it has calendar/task. If you select where it says create calendar, and again the same options will appear without the 8 option to be able to affiliate the record, because it will affiliate the record that you're on with the calendar entry you're creating. So I'll show you. So for example, again, if this is a catch up, let's say, and you want it for today and everything else is happy, you select save. And then if we go back to the calendar, and the calendar entry will be here, and if you select it again and select where it says view candidate, and again it will take you straight through to that candidate record. Final way to create a calendar entry is via emails. So say for example you're emailing a candidate, select the email option along the top, make sure all the information is correct, for example their email address, and you fill it out like a normal email, but before you press send, where it says create calendar entry, select yes, and then across the way where it says reminder days is basically how many days from today's date you'd like the calendar entry to be set for. So for example, let's say 2 days, and then say for example we'll just select a merge field for now, and once you're happy select send. And then if we head back to our calendar, you'll notice now that it is popped in the calendar entry for 2 days time for the exact same time that you sent it from today. So for example, I sent it at 10:50, so it set it 2 days ahead at 10:50. And you'll notice as well, if you go to your calendar within Teams, it will appear in there as well. I hope this helps.